I tested it myself and started earning faster than I ever imagined. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how I did it and show you the results. Here's the problem most people face with online stores. Building a profitable store takes weeks or months of research, designing, sourcing products, and managing orders. It's overwhelming, time-consuming, and often ends in frustration or failure. How can you break through all that without being a tech expert or spending a fortune up front? That's where this game-changing AI tool called Build Your Store comes in. It creates a fully functional Shopify store for you in minutes, stocked with proven, high-demand products, professional designs, and all the essential pages you need. I got my store up in just 15 minutes, and within the first hour I was already making sales. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to AutoDS, another powerful AI-driven tool, all product sourcing, pricing, and order fulfillment are automated. When a customer buys, AutoDS ships the product directly to them. No inventory, no packing, no headaches. Sounds too good to be true. The hardest part is driving traffic, but I cracked that code too with simple TikTok and Facebook ads. Using organic TikTok videos and boosting my best-performing clips, plus running small-budget Facebook ads, I generated over $200 in sales in my first week with minimal ad spend. So here's the step-by-step to get started. Go to the Build Your Store website and create your free AI-powered Shopify store. Choose your niche, pick a banner, and connect your Shopify account. Install the Build Your Store app on Shopify and customize your store with AI-generated content and layouts. Sign up for AutoDS to automate product imports, pricing, and fulfillment. Get a 30-day trial for just $1.
Publish your store by removing the password restriction so customers can start buying. Drive traffic using TikTok organic videos and ads, plus Facebook paid ads with a small budget. Within days, you can be making real sales without touching inventory or spending months learning complicated setups. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you're ready to start your automated 1,000-day side hustle. No experience needed, just follow the steps. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.